Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add tags to Mailchimp audience. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log in to our account. If you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create an account. It's very easy, and once you have done that, log in using your credentials. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on your profile icon picture in the top right corner where it says right here. Since we are referring, creating and tags or adding a tags to our Mailchimp audience, so basically from the left part of your dashboard, go here where it says audience and you need to go down to tags. Now please be note that if you haven't had the chance to create an audience first, you need to create a tag. As you can see, I don't have any tags yet, but you can create custom tags to help you organize and target contacts. All right, it's a little bit easy. You can even have the option to automate your taggings in a short while. Now, for now, we're going to create tag. Click on that. Okay, so here's the fun part. Say and this tags. Click on create, and what will happen is, as you can see, you have sorted and created your tag right here. Now to add this specific tag to your Mailchimp audience, now if you have already added some contacts here or a list of contacts for your audience, basically it will auto populate right here. But if you don't have, it's your time to create one. But basically the idea is you can segregate or segment your audience. Say for example, if you have a promo for your website and you are specifically targeting a small part of your campaign, so this is the right way of using tags for your audience. All right, you can also actually click on view for you to be able to see the participating contacts for your specific tags right here. If you have done so, it will auto populate, and even here you can send the campaign, or even you can even export the segment. And matter of fact, from here you can even remove it. So if you want to remove the specific tags to your Mailchimp audience, all you're gonna do is remove that, and from here basically here, that's how you remove the tags to your audience. And again, the way to create is simply you can rename the tags right here. Say for example, updated tag. That's how you rename it for your audience. Or again, you have the option to delete, export a CSV, and send regular campaign. And you can even, like, if you want to test waters, you can send an A/B testing campaign, or you can send plain text campaign on send an RSS campaign. That's for your preferences. Now if you want to automate your tagging, click on this one. But again, this is more advanced kind of tagging for your Mailchimp audience, so we need to go down to the basic. And again, from here you can manage your contacts, you can add contacts, and you can have like a subscriber for preferences. And in terms of the settings, it's all customizable depending on your preferences and your needs. As you can see, audience names and defaults, and a lot of more information. But basically that's how you add tags to your Mailchimp audience. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.